Welcome back. If you sell products within the Warrior Plus network, you will want to make sure that with every purchase that a customer makes, that you'll have that individual added to your email marketing list. We are now inside of the new product screen, and assuming that you know how to put together a product, because this is not a full-blown tutorial on how to use Warrior Plus, you will scroll all the way to the bottom to the integrations and tracking area. And what you will do is you will click this button that says New Connection. What you will then do is you will click this button that says Service, and you will notice then that there is a GetResponse connection that you can make. If you have not previously connected GetResponse to your Warrior Plus account, you can click this link to start the connection. Warrior Plus will allow you to have multiple GetResponse accounts connected to your Warrior Plus profile. So we can give your specific account a name. What Warrior Plus requires from you is the GetResponse API key, and that is what you will place here in this area. To get the API key, you will go to the Tools area. You will then go to this link that says Integrations and API. You will then go to this area that says API. You will then name your API key. You will then click Generate. You will then copy your API key, and you'll need to make sure that you place this key someplace secure because you will not be able to see it again inside of your GetResponse account. When you come back to Warrior Plus, you will add the API key and then click Save. You'll need to close out of the service. What you'll need to do is to make a new connection again for the service. You'll then choose the service that you just created. And you can then connect GetResponse to this individual product so that every time an individual makes a purchase, they will be added to a specific list inside of your GetResponse account. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.